Kiera.
Kiera, and welcome back to my channel. We're in a different scenery right now. Just the roll. We're in the garden and I'm rolling back. We are going to be doing a front splits tutorial. I don't really care. My channel just isn't like active at the minute. So I've been going to dance for a year. And within that year I got my splits that I've been working on for ages. Now that's pretty lucky, to be honest, because like I'm not very flexible. Well, my friends say I'm really flexible and I'm like, no, I'm not. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you some different stretches that you can try to get your front splits. I can only do left, but my right is very, very close. So let's get on with it. The first stretch you shall be doing, I'm full of grass, to get your front splits, you're going to go into, I'm sorry for my socks, they're very grassy because I was dancing, so I'm very sorry about that. You're going to start with a front lunge and hold that for about 15 seconds. And then you're going to straighten both legs, touch the ground, and put your chest as close to your leg as possible. Then back to the lunge, but this arm is going to go under this foot, and you're going to put your elbow down and hold for about 15 seconds. Then straighten your legs again up and push your chest as close as your leg can. You can take your hands off if you want to try and be in great and balance. I can't really. Make sure legs are straight, no bendy knees. Then you're going to go back into lunge, but this time you're going to put your hands as far forward as you can. Stretch, guys. Okay, and you can do that as many times as you want, but 3's enough for me, so you just lie down into your splits and point your toes. So, some of you might be like this, with your hands on, ow, that really hurts when you point your toes really hard. Sorry. Some of you might be like this, with your hands on the ground. If you're really, really close, take your hands off. It puts more pressure on your legs, and just sit in it for about 20 seconds or more. I've done it a lot today, so you know. If it's really painful, just breathe. Keep breathing, and it's going to be really painful at first, but once your muscles have adjusted to this and you stretch them enough, it won't be painful, and you can just sit and lie back. Stretches number 2 is a more simpler form of that. So if you're not feeling as flexible as that, you can follow these ones. So basically it's not a lunge, it's just you're gonna lean on your knee and just put this foot forward and just stretch that. It's much easier because your whole weight is not resisting on your legs. You've actually got strength in the ground, and just hold that and just push forward. Doesn't matter if your knee's like that, just push as far as you can go. Just sit there, keep your hands on the ground if you want, or put them on your knee, and then you're going to bring it back, straighten this one, keep this one bent, and just put your chest towards this knee. So just pretend you're trying to hug your knee, you just want to hug it, so much. Am I scrunchy? No, it's white. No. Sorry. So just hold that. And then go back again to this one. And just hold and breathe and sing a little song as you do it. And think about nice things. Spot. Keep eye on something in front of you to keep your mind off it. Not very painful. Maybe unflexible people might find it painful, but once you get it, it's not going to be painful. And then just back again, straight knee. Keep always straight. Never want it bent. Straight. See? Straight. And then just hug your knee. If you don't want to point your feet, don't point your feet. You can flex them, but to get you into the shape of things, you might want to point it. And then back. You're already feeling enough pain as it is, so pointing your feet is a little extra. If you really want to, go on ahead. If you're Bendy Sally, I don't know what that meant, but if you're a Bendy Becky, then go on ahead and point your feet. And then if you want to do them maybe more times, go on ahead, but I usually do mine. 3 is my lucky number, so why not? So, and then just slide on in 2 splits. And hold. And hold, and hold for as long as you want. I don't care. If you want to take some pressure off, just push on up and then let go and balance. Number 3. I'm going to put this leg, whatever leg you want, you can go on right or left. I'm going to go on, actually I think I'll go on right this time. I don't stretch my right enough as I should. Okay, so you're going to take this leg back, put it straight back, and then this leg is going to stay bent in towards you. It's called half pigeon or pigeon. I don't know if it's half pigeon or pigeon. And now you're just going to, on your elbows, and just hold that, just push forward, or push into the ground. This is trying to get your leg as close to the ground as possible without actually doing the split. Keep that leg straight. We don't want any bent knees. No bent knees, except this one. So just hold that. And then I'm going to rise up. You can rise up in this as well. Rise up. And you're going to bend this and grab and pull it towards you. It might hurt. Oh my God, that does hurt. But just pull it towards you. If you want to have it here, you have it here, whatever's comfortable for you. If you feel a stretch there, you hold it there, and next time go a little further. Now we're going to release that and go back to your pigeon. Just sit straight up. You can put your head back if you want an extra stretch. You want to stretch your back muscles, put your head back. Look at the sky. The sky's pretty tonight. It's blue and it's yellow over there. And then just back to this stretch. Half pigeon, bent knee, whatever, I don't know the name of it. Okay, hold. You don't want to be falling to your side like that. Keep nice, up and straight. And then release. And you can do that as many times as you want. And whenever you're ready, you just want to slide into your splits. This leg isn't as good as the other. Make sure always do them on your other leg as well, because if one leg's good better than the other, you want the other leg to get as good as that one. Just work with both legs. And here's a tip. Every night before you go to bed, you should stretch. Just, if it's 5 minutes, 30 seconds, just stretch. One stretch that would help me at night is just lay down in your bed and just bring your leg up and hold. Doesn't matter if it's here or here or here, wherever is comfortable for you, you keep it there. And release and do it with the other leg. And then if you want to get your middle splits, take both legs and then just stretch them like that. Can't do middle. I'm working on it though. Work on it every day. So guys, I hope you found this tutorial helpful and work on your splits because you will get them someday. I know you will. You can do it. You can do it. Forgot what we were doing. Nothing wrong with my legs.
Your legs, they shouldn't go like that.
Nothing.
Put your legs back together.
My legs weren't even. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Are we recording?
Yes, we are recording.
Hello. Why is your eyes so dark? The legs are going to hurt.
God.